I stitched a jeans tote bag. Now I'm gonna paint my favorite flowers on it. First, let's make the boundaries. For this, I'm gonna use tape. Let's put wisteria color as a background. Aho bohat sona rang I hope tuano pasan I. Sarathop deo Genevieve no kanjosi. Hun eno chanji tarha mal dio. Tu rang sharbadin kama methi got kalpani. Kuch ni, I was just singing a song. Sunflowers are so pretty, you know. Now watch me doing the whole process. Bloom against all odds. Remember, finally, it's done. I love it. What are your thoughts about this? I'll see you soon, inshallah. Take care. Bye-bye. This is me, Iker, signing off via Manila.